How to change WhatsApp storage to SD card. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. After you've opened settings, at the top right, click on the search bar. Then in here, search for developer options. Click on developer options. Make sure it's turned on. After it's turned on, you can simply scroll down in developer options and search for force allow apps on external. Turn that on. Simply click on it to turn it on. After it's turned on, when you open your WhatsApp and back up, it will simply move everything to your SD card. To do that, hold on to the WhatsApp app and go to App Info in the home screen. After you've clicked on App Info, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Storage and Cache. Click on it, and if you have SD card on your phone, you'll find Change Storage option. You can simply click on it and change your storage to SD card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.